What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of the week. And welcome to a very much needed update on Fetch, alright? Because we have actually turned bearish on the 1 hour time frame, alright? It's a bit jokingly because, I mean, the thing is that Fetch has gone up since the 28th of February, alright? So, well, let's say since the start of March, Fetch has gone up a total at the very top of about 110%. And right now we have a little bit of a breakout and a bit of bearish indication, and a lot of people are in total fear and panic already in the markets. I still think, I mean, if you look at AI and crypto, the moment we get some more news regarding AI, or just the moment we get some momentum in AI coins, again, Fetch will rally much higher, all right? So I'm not too worried about Fetch, but most of you are also interested in the short-term prices. And the short-term prices are quite interesting, all right? Because we actually did flip most of the EMAs here. And usually when you see something like this, you can see all of the EMAs are sloping up here, which is very bullish. Then have a minor bearish breakout. And in the meanwhile, we are also losing, while I look it up, we're also losing some momentum. Right here. We're losing some momentum, so then you start to think, well, could we actually be bearish? And then we get a bearish breakout right here below our main support level at 2.7. And now we are actually bearish on the 1 hour time frame. So that's quite interesting. Now, it's obviously possible that this is some sort of a sell, like a sell the news effect already from the NVIDIA conference, which I always thought not too much bullish momentum came from that. It's a possibility. I mean, just in general, Bitcoin is showing some resistance. AI has rallied a lot. Of course, we need a pullback at some point of time. I don't think that's that weird. But that's kind of the reasoning and the thoughts behind this move. In the end, nobody knows, right? I mean, right now, I think Fetch looks bearish. I think we have a very solid chance to turn bullish soon again, but we'll talk about that. Right now, like I said, 1 hour time frame, got a bearish breakout. EMAs are sloping down. Momentum is dropping down as well. So I would actually say on the short term, Fetch is bearish. Now, the main, we could still have some sort of a retest of the level we broke below at 2.65, 2.7. But ultimately, the main level I'm watching is 2.45 and 2.5. That's a very strong support level. Historically, 200 EMA as well, 382 FIB, 236 FIB. So what I expect is that we'll drop down to that level. And then from there, the main thing to watch is the open interest. Because I do think that there's a chance that if from that level, the open interest actually starts sloping up again, so that you see a move like this, for example, we don't even need to get back to the old levels. But then I actually do think that there's a chance that from that support level, we instantly break back above 2.7, which would rally us up all the way to $3 again. And then we're just consolidating up there again. So there's a possibility of that. I don't think it's most likely because, well, we'll have to see how it reacts to the level. I cannot predict that right now. It's only hypothetical. Like if we get an open interest increase from that level, then we can break out. But if we don't get that, so we have to wait for that reaction essentially. If we don't get that, then we'll just consolidate down here. And to be fair, if Bitcoin really gets another pullback down to 70,700 or 70,000, for example, I think Fetch could also drop down to this level right here at 2.2 and 2.15. And do I think it's bearish then? Not necessarily. I think this is just a bigger pullback, but I think ultimately Fetch is still going to do great. So those are the two scenarios. And like I said, I do think if you look at everything right now, so the loss of momentum, the technical bearish breakout, I do think we'll drop down there. And then it's just waiting for the reaction. Do we get a surge in open interest? Then we're bullish. And then we have a big chance to actually get a breakout again. If not, it's most likely that we'll consolidate and eventually drop down if Bitcoin gets a bearish breakout as well. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.